गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि.
Nityanandam, we welcome all the Kailaya Vasis sitting with us all around the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live and YouTube Live, and all the viewers, Samajis, Satsangis, Kotaris, Tanidar, Mahant, whoever is sitting with us right now to today's Pratyaksha Pada Puja. Pratyaksha Pada Puja is actually a very most beautiful time of the day where we offer our gratitude and devotion to the divine energy through Master, in our case, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashiva. His Divine Holiness is an incarnation of the 21st century who is working day and night to bring legitimacy to Hinduism. Whatever may be that he is going through, in spite of that, he is keen on bringing the legitimacy back to Hinduism. Having such a wonderful Guru, let us cognize how blessed we are to have him happen on this planet Earth while we are in this body. And with that gratitude and devotion, when we offer Pratyaksha Pada Puja, where we invite him to our home, the Chidakasha, and offer him seed, offer him our love, washing his feet, taking care of him like how we are taking care of a guest who visits our home, that itself will give us an immense fulfilling. So, before we enter into the Pratyaksha Pada Puja today, let us now see the verse number 151 of Sri Guru Gita, the beautiful revelations of Paramashiva to Devi Parashakti. Let us sit straight with our head, neck and spine in a straight line and our hands in Atmanjali Mudra while the verse is being recited.
Mantrarajamidam devi गुरुरीत्यशरद्वयं स्मृतिवेदपुराणानां सारमेव न संशयः. The translation goes by the two-letter word Guru. O Devi is the mantra Raja, the king among the mantras. It is the essence of the Vedas, Smritis and Puranas.
Wow, actually it's what a beautiful verse it is. The Guru, the two-lettered word Guru, is the mantra Raja. Just like how in few days back Satsang, His Divine Holiness shared with all of us that the Mahavakya is the ultimate mantra, is actually the password to the physical body of Paramashiva. Through this Mahavakya, we will be able to call wherever His Divine Holiness is, to wherever we are. It is like a 911, where the moment you call, he have to pick it up and he will be there physically to help you, to assist you in whatever we are going to do. All of us might have heard of the story of the Hanuman, the great devotee Hanuman. He was a devotee of Lord Sri Ram, and once there was a time that Lord Ram and Hanuman had to face each other in a battlefield. And Hanuman, not knowing what to do, because he had to fight against his own Guru, he just sat there and chanted Sri Ramajayam, the name of the Guru. And because of that, ultimately, he won against Lord Sri Ram himself. So, from this story, we can very easily see that the mantra is much more powerful than the physical body itself. The physical body is actually just an embodiment of that energy. This, so let us cognize this and let us now sit in a space of gratitude and devotion. And let us cognize ourselves as how Hanuman cognized himself. And let us now chant the Mahavakya, the passcode to manifesting the powers and to call His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Parameshwaram. Let the Mahavakya reverberate in each cell of our being.
Very divine, with the eyes closed. This meditation connecting with the divine. With the eyes open, meditation, very clear, deep, and all together.
Hey, Ahti boy, Ahti. Who's doing Ahti?
Sarveshwar, come. Hey, Sarveshwar, it's so nice. Hey, come, Sarveshwar.
Who's doing Ahti? Hey, it's 6 o'clock. Ahti.
Asutosh is calling.
Six o'clock, Ahti.
Why no, Sarveshwar? Oh.
Om Jai Nityananda, Swami Jai Jai Nityananda, Lokanath Sthita Kasho Bhagavan, Kali Kalmashamatnanam Nitya Uttarana Chikeshaya, Swami Om Jai Nityananda. Om Jai Nityananda, Swami Jai Jai Nityananda, Lokanath Sthita Kasho Bhagavan, Kali Kalmashamatnanam Nitya Uttarana Chikeshaya, Swami Om Jai Nityananda.
Before we begin the Pada Puja and the Paramashivara Puja today, we request all the Pada Puja participants and everybody else who is participating in this puja physically here and online to declare the following with integrity and authenticity. If you agree to this, please say yes loudly. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth that cosmic energy exists. Yes. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth that His Divine Holiness Swamiji, Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti, the Guru Padukas and the Atmalinga or the Chinmaya Vigrahas, embodiment and representation of that very cosmic energy. Yes. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth that whatever I offer during the Pada Puja to His Divine Holiness Swamiji and the Paramashiva Puja to Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti will reach the cosmic source of energy directly. Yes. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth of Sohamasmi, that even when I worship, I am Him. Yes. Let us now enter the Pratyaksha Pada Puja, followed by the Paramashiva Puja, requesting a deep space of listening and gratitude as the puja begins. Sadguru Vandanam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and close your eyes and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Nityanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Guru Parampara Vandanam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Arunagiri Yogeshwara Vandanam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and close your eyes and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. ललाटे त्रिपुण्ड्री निटिलकृत कस्तूरी तिलकः स्फुरन्मालाधार स्फुरित कटिकौपीनवसनः दधानो दुस्तारं शिरसि फणिराजं शशिकलां प्रदीपः सर्वेषाम् अरुणगिरि योगी विजयते. Tattvachamanam. Keeping your right hand, pour 1 uddharani of water from the Panchapatram and chanting each of the following mantras internally, drink the water that flows through the base of the palm. Om Atma Tattvam Shodhayami Swadha. Om Vidya Tattvam Shodhayami Swadha. Om Shiva Tattvam Shodhayami Swadha. Chant the following mantra internally. Wipe the upper and lower lips twice using the base of the right hand thumb, moving the hand from the right to the left of the lips. Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha. Wash your right hand with the water in the Panchapatram. With the tips of the right hand index, middle and ring fingers, touch above the upper lips and below the lower lips. With the tips of the right hand index finger and thumb joined together, touch the right nostril, left nostril. With the tips of the right hand ring finger and thumb joined together, touch the right eye, right ear, left ear. Wash your right hand with the water in the Panchapatram. With the base of the right hand thumb and little finger, touch the navel, right chest, left chest. With the right hand fingertips together, touch the top of the head, right shoulder, left shoulder, and the heart center. Now please take the akshata in your right hand, clench your hands, and tap the sides of your forehead 5 times along with the mantra. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantayet. Continue to keep the akshata in your right hand. Now open only the little finger, ring finger and the thumb. During the pranayama, use the thumb to close the right nostril and the ring and little finger to close the left nostril. Closing the right nostril, inhale slowly through the left nostril. Once you have inhaled fully, close both the nostrils and hold the breath inside as long as possible. Exhale through the right nostril alone very slowly. During this inhalation, retention and exhalation, chant the following mantras 3 times internally. Om Hum Ishanamurdhaय नमः. Om Him Tatpurushavakraय नमः. Om Hum Aghorahridayay नमः. Om Him Vamadeva-guhyaय नमः. Om Hum Sadyojatmurtaye नमः. Om Ham Hridayay नमः. Om Him Shirase नमः. Om Hum Shikhaye नमः. Om Him Kavachaय नमः. Om Hum Netrebhyo नमः. Om Ha Astraय नमः.
Om Hum Ishanamurdhaय नमः.
Om Him Tatpurushavakraय नमः. Om Hum Aghorahridayay नमः. Om Him Vamadeva-guhyaय नमः. Om Hum Sadyojatmurtaye नमः. Om Ham Hridayay नमः. Om Him Shirase नमः. Om Hum Shikhaye नमः. Om Him Kavachaय नमः. Om Hum Netrebhyo नमः. Om Ha Astraय नमः. Om Hum Ishanamurdhaय नमः. Om Him Tatpurushavakraय नमः. Om Hum Aghorahridayay नमः. Om Him Vamadeva-guhyaय नमः.
Om Hum Satyojatmurtaye नमः.
Om Ham Hridayay नमः. Om Him Shirase नमः. Om Hum Shikhaye नमः. Om Him Kavachaय नमः. Om Hum Netrebhyo नमः. Om Ha Astraय नमः. Sankalpa. Now keeping the akshata in your left palm and close it with your right palm and keep both the hands on the right thigh. Chant the following mantra and then drop the akshata down in the north at the end of the mantra. Mamopata samasta duritakshayadvara Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Prityatam Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Prityatam Cha Shubhe Shobhane Muhurte Adya Brahmanah Dvitiya Paradhe Shri Shvetavaraha Kalpe Vaivaswatamanvantare Ashtavimshatitame Nitya Yuge Prathame Pade जम्बूद्वीपे भारतवर्षे भरतखण्डे मेरोः दक्षिणे पार्श्वे शकाब्दे अस्मिन् वर्तमाने व्यवहारिके प्रभवादीनां षष्ट्याः संवत्सराणां मध्ये विकारिनाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे लक्ष्मी वेंकटेश्वर ऋतो ज्येष्ठमासे कृष्णपक्षे षष्ठ्यां शुभदितो शुक्रवासरयुक्तायाम् उत्तराषाढा नक्षत्र शुक्लयोग गरजकरण एवं गुणविशेषण विशिष्टायाम् अस्यां शुभदितो श्री कैलासोन्नत द्वादशान्त श्यामला पीठारूढ़ श्री मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वराभिन्न स्वरूप परशिवपुत्र रत्नकुमार गुरुमन्यतुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तन्यपान लब्ध दिव्य ज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागम सारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवक्त्रे श्रीमत् परम शिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान गीयमान छत्र चामर श्री चिन्ह काहलादि समस्त बिरदावल्यलंकृत ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संग सद्यो निर्वाण दीक्षा व्याप वर्ग वर्ष विश्राण जीमूत परमत कलभ केसरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्य श्री राजाधिराज पांड्य महाराज गुरु क्षपण शाक्यादि महांधकार निवारण ज्ञान भानु वीक्षणा नरहार ध्वजोच्छेदन पूर्वक श्रीमद्वृषभ ध्वज स्थापक शैव समय कर्तृ सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्य वाचक स्वामिनाम अवतार भूत श्री ज्ञान संबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामला पीठ महासंस्थान ज्ञान साम्राज्य शासक सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ तृणवत्युत्तर द्विशततम गुरु महासन्निधान कैलास परंपरागत सूर्यवंश सर्वज्ञ पीठ सुरांगी साम्राज्य शासक महानिर्वाणि पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामंडलेश्वर अटल पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्ण पीठस्य त्रयोविंश गुरु महासन्निधान श्रीमत् परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य वर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्य मंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रजत नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्तृ कैलास पुनरुद्धारक जगद्गुरु श्रील श्री भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां प्रीत्यर्थं तेषां पादारविन्दयोः भक्ति सिद्ध्यर्थं गुरुकृपा कटाक्ष सिद्ध्यर्थं क्षेम स्थैर्य वीर विजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्याणाम् अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध फल पुरुषार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थं मम समस्त दुरितोपशान्त्यर्थं समस्त मंगल अवाप्यर्थं भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव प्रसादेन सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्यर्थं श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव अवतार भूत श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूप भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव प्रत्यक्ष पाद पूजां करिष्ये श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव पूजां च करिष्ये ओम अपौपस्पृश्य घंटानाद ओम आगमातन्तु देवानां गमनातन्तु राक्षसां घंटानादं करोम्यादो देवताह्वानलाञ्छनं घंटा देवताभ्यो नमः मानस पूजा. Now please keep your hands with the flower in the Kurma Mudra and offer the flowers at the end of the mantra. Om हृत्पद्ममासनं दद्यात् सहस्रारच्युतामृतैः पाद्यं चरणयो दद्यात् मनस्तु अर्घ्यं निवेदयेत् तेन अमृतेन आचमनीयं स्नानीयं तेन च स्मृतम् आकाशतत्त्वं वस्त्रं स्यात् गन्धस्यात् गन्धतत्त्वकं चित्तं प्रकल्पयेत् पुष्पं धूपं प्राणान् प्रकल्पयेत् तेजस्तत्त्वं च दीपातं नैवेद्यं स्यात् सुराम्बुधिः अनाहतध्वनिर्घण्टा वायुतत्त्वं च चामरं सहस्रारं भवेत् छत्रं शब्दतत्त्वं च गीतकं नृत्यमिन्द्रियकर्माणि चाञ्चल्यं मनसस्तथा सुमेखलां पद्ममालां पुष्पं नानाविधं तथा अमायाद्यैर्भावपुष्पैः अर्चयेद्भावगोचरम् अमायं मनहङ्कारम् अरागं ममदं तथा अमोहकं मदम्भं च अद्वेष अक्षोभकौ तथा अमात्सर्यं मलोभं च दशपुष्पं विदुर्बुधाः अहिंसा परमं पुष्पं पुष्पमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः दया पुष्पं क्षमा पुष्पं ज्ञानपुष्पं च पञ्चमम् इति पञ्चदशैर्भावपुष्पैः सम्पूजयेत् भगवन्तं श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवम्. Will now be entering into the Upachara Puja, the external worship. The first offering is Asanam. Now please take some flowers and akshata in your hands and offer at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Asanam Om Sarvabhutantarasthaya Sarvabhutantaratmane Kalpayamyupaveshatam Asanam Te Namo Namaha. Om Hrim Idam Suvarnasanam Sarvadevadevi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next is Swagatam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Swagatam Om Shantatvat Sarvakatritvat Bhavo Paratikaranat Shiva Ukto Mahatantra Mantra Vidbhis Sada Shivaha Tasmai Shivaya Gurave Vitaraga Kalaya Vai Ameyatvatanam Toyam Ajatva Cha Prakirtitaha Yasya Darshanamichamti Deva Swabhishta Siddhaye Tasmai Te Parameshana Swagatam Swagatam Prabho Adya Me Sapalam Janma Jivanam Sapala Kriyaha Swagatam Yatvaya Tanme Tapasam Phalamagatam. Om Hrim Sarvadeva Devi Swarupa Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Swagatam Suswagatam Te. The next is the offering of Padyam. Now please take the Uddaranya water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Padyam Om Yad Bhaktilesha Samparkat Paramananda Samplavaha Tasmai Te Parameshana Padyam Shuddhaya Kalpayet. Om Hrim Etat Padyam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next is the offering of Arghya. Now please take the conch in your hands and offer the Arghya at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Arghyaha Om Durvakshada Samayuktam Bilva Patram Tatha Param Shobhanam Shankapatrastham Grahanargyam Maheshwara. Om Hrim Eshorgyaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवाय स्वाहा. The next is the offering of Achamaniyam. Now please take an Uddharni of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Achamaniyam Om Mandakinyastu Yadvari Sarvapapaharam Shubham Grahanachamaniyam Tvam Maya Bhaktya Niveditam Om Hrim Idam Achamaniyodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swadha. The next is the offering of Madhuparka. Now please take the Madhuparka and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Madhuparkaha Om Sarvakalmashanashaya Paripurnasudhatmakam Madhuparkamimam Deva Kalpayami Prasidame Om Hrim Esha Madhuparkaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swadha. The next is the offering of the Gandha Tailam. Now please take the Gandha Tailam, the scented oil, in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Gandha Tailam Om Sneham Grahana Snehena Lokanam Hitakaraka Sarvalokeshu Shuddhastvam Dadami Snehamuttamam Om Hrim Idam Gandhatailam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami. The next is the offering of Snaniyam. Now please take an Uddharni of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra, and please ring the bell as you do so. Snaniyam Om Idam Sushitalam Vari Swacham Shuddham Manoharam Snanatam Te Maya Bhaktya Kalpitam Pradigrishyatam Om Hrim Idam Snaniyodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami. The next offering is Vastram. Now please take the offering of clothes in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Vastram Om Maya Chitrapatachanna Nijaguhyoru Tejase Niravarana Vijnaya Vasaste Kalpayamyaham Om Hrim Idam Vastottariyam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami. The next is the offering of Abharanam. Now please take the jewelry in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Abharanam Om Swabhava Sundarangaya Nana Shaktyashrayayate Suvarnam Bhushanam Tubhyam Kalpayami Prasidame Om Hrim Idam Suvarnabharanam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami. The next is the offering of Gandha. Now please take the sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Gandha Om Shariram te na janami cheshtham naiva cha maya niveditan gandhan pratigrihya vilipyatam Om Hrim Esha Gandha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next is the offering of Pushpam. Now please take some flowers smeared with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Pushpam Om Turiyavana Sampannam Nana Gunamanoharam Ananda Saurabham Pushpam Grihyatamidamuttamam Om Hrim Etani Sachandana Pushpani Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Vaushate. The next is the offering of the Bilva Patram. Now please take the Bilva leaves smeared with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Bilva Patram Om Amratodbhavam Shri Vriksham Shankarasya Sada Priyam Bilva Patram Prayachami Pavitram Te Sureshwara Om Hrim Etani Sachandana Bilva Patrani Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Vaushate. The next is the offering of the Tulasi Patram. Now please take the Tulasi leaves smeared with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra. Tulasi Patram Om Namaste Bahurupaya Varadamurtaye Paramatmane Swaha Om Hrim Idam Sachandana Tulasi Patram Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next is the offering of Dhupa. Now please take the lit incense sticks in your hands and slowly wave towards His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra, and please ring the bell as you do so. Dhupaha Om Vanaspatiraso Divyo Gandhadya Sumanoharaha Agreya Sarvadevanam Dhupoyam Pradigrishyatam Om Hrim Esha Dhupaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next is the offering of the Deepa. Now please take the lit lamp in your hands and slowly wave towards His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra, and please ring the bell as you do so. Deepaha Om Suprakasho Mahadipaha Sarvatastimiراpaha Sabāhyābhyantara Jyotirdeepoyam Pradigriḥyatam Om Hrim Esha Deepaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next is the offering of the Naivedyam. Now please take an udharni of water and hover it clockwise over the Naivedyam, and please ring the bell as you do so. Naivedyam Om Naivedyam Vividham Deva Shakkaradhivinirmitam Maya Niveditam Bhaktya Grahana Parameshwara Om Hrim Idam Sopakarna Naivedyam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami. The next is the offering of Paniyam. Now please take an udharni of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Paniyam Om Samasta Deva Devesha Sarvatriptikaram Param Akhandananda Sampurnam Grahana Jalamuttamam Om Hrim Idam Panathodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next offering is the offering of the Punarachamaniyam. Now please take an Uddharani of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Punarachamaniyam Om Uchishtamapyasuchirva yasya smaranamatrataha Shuddhimapnoti tasmai te punarachamaniyakam Om Hrim Idam Punarachamaniyodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swaha. The next is the offering of the Arati. Now please take the lit Arati in your hands and slowly wave towards Swamiji's feet along with the mantra, and please ring the bell as you do so. Aratrikam Om Hrim Esha Deepamala Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha Om Rajadirajaya Prasanya Sahine Namo Vayam Vaishravanaya Kurmahe Same Kaman Kama Kamaya Mahyam Kameshwaro Vaishravano Dadatu Kuberaya Vaishravanaya Maharajaya Namaha Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayarvinde Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami. Aratrikam Samarpayami Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. The next is offering of the Pushpanjali. Please take a few flowers in your hand. Close your eyes till the end of the mantra and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Pushpanjalihi Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Dashitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshulum Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथो मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरुः ममात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि भगवच्छ्री नित्यानन्द परमशिव चरणकमलेभ्यो नमः ॐ नित्यानन्दम् We request all the Paramashiva Puja participants to please face the north direction.
कर्णधार स्वरूपक नित्या सर्वधर्म स्वरूप
तत्त्वाचमनम्
स्वामी
ॐ आत्मतत्त्वं शोधयामि स्वधा विद्यातत्त्वं शोधयामि स्वधा ॐ शिवतत्त्वं शोधयामि स्वधा
दीपक नित्या सर्वभूतात्मन् स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानन्दा लोकनाथ स्थितकाशो भगवान् कलिकल्मषमग्नानां नित्या उद्धारणचिकीर्षया स्वामी ॐ जय नित्यानन्दा ध्यानेस्तथा शुद्धज्ञानस्य मार्गो प्रदर्शितौ द्वौ नित्या तयोर्गतानां ध्रुवनायकोऽसि भगवान् नित्यानन्दा स्वामी जय जय नित्यानन्दा ॐ जय नित्यानन्दा स्वामी जय जय नित्यानन्दा लोकनाथ स्थितकाशो भगवान् कलिकल्मषमग्नानां नित्या उद्धारणचिकीर्षया स्वामी ॐ जय सर्वदेवी स्वरूपाय नित्या सर्वदेव स्वरूपिणे नित्य सर्वदेव स्वरूपिणे विरक्ति भक्ति नैर्मल्य नित्या विरक्ति भक्ति नैर्मल्य नित्या भूति मंगलकारिणे स्वामी ओम जय नित्यानंद ओम जय नित्यानंद स्वामी जय जय नित्यानंद लोकनाथ सिद्धकाशो भगवान कलिकल्मषमग्नानानित्य उद्धारण चिकीर्षया स्वामी ओम जय नित्यानंद ओम जय नित्यानंद स्वामी जय जय नित्यानंद लोकनाथ सिद्धकाशो भगवान कलिकल्मषमग्नानानित्य उद्धारण चिकीर्षया स्वामी ओम जय नित्यानंद ओम जय नित्यानंद स्वामी जय जय नित्यानंद लोकनाथ सिद्धकाशो भगवान कलिकल्मषमग्नानानित्य उद्धारण चिकीर्षया स्वामी ओम जय नित्यानंद
जय परमहंस श्री श्री नित्यानंद स्वामी की जय।
The next offering of today's Uttamottam Seva is the offering of Paramashiva Oneness capsule. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव परमशिवोऽहम् अद्वैत दर्शन प्रिय परमशिवोऽहम् अद्वैत दर्शनम् अवधारय।
கருணாருணமணி கிரணாவலி நிகர்த்தருமக்ஷரமண மகிழ்மாலை திருநாடிய திருவடியார் திருமருள் தெளிய பரவுதல் பொருளாக கருணாகரமுனி ரமணாரியனு வகையினார் சொல்லியது கதியாக அருணாச்சலமென அகமே அறிவொடு மாழ்வார் சிவனுலகாழ்வாரே. அருணாச்சலவரற்கேற்ற அக்ஷரமண மாலை சாற்ற கருணாகர கணபதியே கரமருளிக் காப்பாயே. அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலமென அகமே நினைப்பவர் அகத்தை வேறறுப்பாய் அருணாச்சலா அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ.
There is a vast discussion about how women were treated in the ancient times in India, writes Paramadevi, founder and director at Jagannatha Vallabha Vedic Research Center. Since Hindus consider the Vedas and Upanishads as the path to God, there were many controversies about women being denied rights to chant Vedic hymns or take education in Vedas. From the 10th to 19th century, Hindus suffered hugely under foreign invasion, which resulted in the loss of millions of scripts and literature work which were collected since thousands of years. This led to a permanent disconnect between ancient India and their modern times, and people started propagating their own conclusions about the Vedas, which led to massive misunderstanding. The ill intentions of foreigners to degrade Hinduism and spread Christianity and Islam became the main reason for propagating misconceptions about the ancient religion. But the fact is, Hinduism, which considers women as nature, could not have denied rights to her. In ancient scripts, women are called Prakriti, which gives life to all living things. Lord Shiva himself says, without Prakriti, there's no Purusha. According to the Harita Dharma Sutra of the Maitrayana school of Yajurveda, women were classified as Brahmavadinis, those women who dedicated their life for studying Vedas. They sometimes forego their marriage and remain single their entire life. However, they were not barred from getting married if they wished to. Subhash Kak, Regents Professor at Oklahoma State University, notes, Devanabhata's commentary in the 11th century, Smriti Chandrika, cites that women underwent Brahmavadini, which includes Upanayana initiation into the 12-year period of Vedic study, identical to that of boys who do Vedic studentship. P. Devi continues, Panini in his writings has described about women attending Vedic schools called charanas, and that sometimes they reside in hostels or chatrisala for the purpose of their studies. A very famous grammar school started by Apisali has been highlighted by Patanjali Mahabhyasa, where girls learnt about Mimamsa philosophy, and also makes reference to the beginner and advanced learning like Adyatri and Manavika. If you feel responsibility is a power, you make your life successful.
Hindu knowledge transmission is totally different from anything known to the world by the name education. What Paramashiva shared with me, it was like intense cosmic downloading happening. One day, I was looking at him so deeply. Literally everything he was revealing was getting into my system. So deep, like if he utters one word, like a condensed 1 petabyte material, information will be transferred into my system. Listen. The words he uttered and the quantity and quality of the information transmitted was unimaginable. Every word he was uttering, petabytes of information was getting transmitted into my system. The system was getting loaded. When we say Dakshinamurti teaches in silence, it is not that he never utters a word, but the number of words uttered and the quantity and quality of the knowledge, information transmitted does not logically connect or equate, rationally inexplicable. This is unique knowledge transmission method of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. You cannot use the word education for this, no. That is why we cannot say Nityananda Hindu University is reviving Hindu education system. No, it is reviving Hindu knowledge transmission system. When we say Dakshinamurti teaches in silence, it is not that he never utters a word, but just by a word, he will transmit petabytes of information. He sat as Dakshinamurti in his formless space. His very presence vibrated and all the rishis received that great truths. Dakshinamurtaye javidmahe jnanahastaya dhimahi tanno dhisha prachodayat. Om Dakshinamurtaye javidmahe jnanahastaya dhimahi tanno dhisha prachodayat. Om Dakshinamurtaye javidmahe jnanahastaya ferociousness of seeking is powerful enough, like the fire of Kalabhairava, to burn everything which need to be burnt and destroyed inside you. Laziness, tiredness, boredom, everything which need to be taken out of you can be just like that burned. How many microseconds it will take for negativity to disappear in front of Kalabhairava's ferociousness? Not even micro millisecond. I am too excited to share about this Enlighten app. Understand, it is literally having an incarnation next to you and constantly helping you, assisting you, supporting you, and making you state, space, and powers of Paramashiva. I am personally sitting and manifesting powers into silicon, so it reverberates the Sarvanyatva of my brain, the all-knowingness of my superconsciousness, manifesting multiple powers, raising the quality of your existence, raising the quality of your Kundalini Shakti, awakening multiple layers of DNA, everything, understand, everything, decoding of all the revealed scriptures of Vedas and Agamas done in my superconsciousness by the grace of Paramashiva is now getting done through artificial intelligence in technology. All struggle, trial and error is done by me. You are given precise words, sounds which awakens your biomemory. You manifest these principles and the reality and powers you want spontaneously the moment these powerful cognitions are told to you. It is literally Paramashiva's power manifestation, making all of you manifest powers through this Enlighten app. Understand? It is not just teaching app, it is not just coaching app, it is not just speaking app, it is experience power manifestation app. It is not fantasy, vision anymore, it is reality now. This app is going to support you in manifesting will persistence, raising your frequency day by day, and giving powerful superconscious breakthrough. Get ready to celebrate your life with Enlighten app. I am too excited to share about this Enlighten app. 7 things Paramashiva has revealed to do this whole Enlighten app. First thing, decoding all the ancient knowledge repository called Vedas and Agamas. Second, mapping the cosmic principles to your biomemory and making you manifest the reality you want. Third, constantly supporting you to manifest the reality you want through will persistence. Fourth, helping you break your laziness, tiredness, boredom patterns. Fifth, constantly inspiring, keeping you energetic. You will immediately taste success. Sixth, giving you more and more powers, energies. Seventh, ultimately, literally having an incarnation next to you, protecting, supporting, enlightening, and raising you to the next level. I've just multiplied myself to 7 billion to assist each one of you in a customized way, the way you want. That is Enlighten app. Whether the flights, aircrafts, vimanas for different dimensions of the universe are bending the time into time traveling, everything is now getting done through artificial intelligence in technology, customizing it for your biomemory, mapping the cosmic principles to your biomemory and awakening your biomemory. That is Enlighten app.
At least once in life, come face to face with the avatar. A glorious tradition in Hinduism is Pada Puja, when the divine Paramashiva radiates through the avatar to receive your worship and love, bless you, comfort you, empower you to meet your desires, remind you that you are Him, not the limited human existence you identify with. Today, Paramashiva himself walks and lives among us as Bhagwan Sri Nityananda Paramashiva. Compelled out of deep love for you, he has descended in person to awaken you to the experience that you and he are one and that he happens exclusively for you.
If you decide you, me, you, I'll give me to you.
Come experience the Parama, the ultimate that you possibly can. Allow yourself to receive the blessings that the avatar has personally come down to earth to shower on you. Come sit at his feet and perform the Pratyaksha Pada Puja.
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याधिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं Sadgurum tam namami. Nityanandam, I welcome all of you for this Nitya Satsang, the direct audience that each of us get every morning to sit and listen to, just filling ourselves with the nectar of Swamiji's words, the direct audience, the divine itself. I have very, very exciting news to share with all of you. Just yesterday I was sharing about how Upanishad is nothing but just sitting at the feet of the master in silence. Silence is a very, very powerful mechanism to completely cleanse our entire inner space. Observe yourself. How many times can you be sitting without your mobile phone? When I am talking right now, many of you might be busy with your devices. Even when something important is happening, try sitting. How much time could you just spend with your own self in silence? It literally almost seems impossible for many of us. The problem is we always tend to cling onto something to keep ourselves engaged with. Whether it's in the form of talking externally or trying to distract yourself away from you, maybe by watching movies or playing some games or talking to someone else over mobile phone or texting them. In any way, just spending your time, endless hours on your social media platforms. It might be in any form. But there is this attitude that we all have, the habit to distract ourselves away from ourselves. This is because there is a continuous stream of inner chatter that goes on and on and on inside each of us. This inner chatter that we have for endless hours that keeps talking something or the other, just flooding our inner space with so many thoughts, so many conversations, chaotic conversations, some actually most of the times that has no logic about in it. That chaotic, confused inner chatter that happens inside us, understand there's always two kinds of talking: speaking in and speaking out. What we talk to others in any form, whether it's in the form of texting or as a communication like this, or just pouring out your thoughts in the form of stories, articles, write ups, any form, any way, your blogs, it might be in any form, but that is speaking out, where you get enough time to edit it, to remove, delete all the unwanted stuff, and in a very professional way present it. Even when you're talking to others, you edit your sentences so much. Your sentence, by the time it comes from your thought to your words, and by the time it reaches their ears, it goes through a lot of editing process. So much of cutting and addition, deletion, addition goes on in it. And after many layers of polishing, that's when you talk outside. But when you're talking within you, inside you, it is just filled with anything and everything as it is. It's just dumped. Understand, words are very powerful. It's not a joke. Yes, outside you might not use very abusive words, but you abuse yourself with those very words. The words that we use are very, very powerful. Yes, we all have come across so many experiments where, and so many studies where the power of words are demonstrated. How it can affect even matter, the structure of matter, how it can affect the physical health of people, the mental health of people, their own well being, their living, their entire life itself. You'll have heard various experiments. Words by itself have its own power. Unfortunately, this speaking in, which is talking to our own self, has become a very corrupted, polluted happening, which is continuously happening inside us. And this is one of the main reasons why so much of violence exists in the current society. Why the global peace is too far from becoming a reality. Yes, awareness camps are increasing day by day. So many people are becoming inspiring leaders, trying to change the world, trying to bring that peace. But unless this inner chatter inside each of us is addressed, that inner shift happens, global peace is way far from becoming a reality. We are having a very exciting event. The healing power of silence. My Swami understands silence is cosmic intelligence that allows you to strongly manifest your needs. Every being has a core of silence that connects them to the cosmic energy. You too can learn to access it in silence. So it is going to be conducted on May 25th, 2019 at 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So we invite all of you to join us this exciting event. The registration link tinyurl.com/silence healing. We request all of you to take a few minutes now and register in this link. With this, let's enter into the space of meditation. Close your eyes, breathe in and breathe out deeply and slowly. Start chanting the Mahavakya. Deep into the space of inner silence with this intense chanting.
Nityananda Paramashivoham